Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how you can apply for an e-visa to travel to Papua New Guinea. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And I would also like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, e-visas are becoming very popular. Everyone wants to apply e-visas nowadays if they need a visa too, because of ease in application and the way it goes through. So in front of you, I've opened this official online visa application site for Papua New Guinea, and here you see that they have easy visitor permit where you can stay up to 30 days and the fee is $50. Eligible passports they have shown, and some countries you can see this star. So if your country name is star, you may apply for up to 60 days. Okay, and this is valid for single entry 30 days from the date of arrival. Okay, and this application can be lodged online app only. Okay, so you will click on this apply. So first is to select your nationality. You need to do as per your case, not like me. So you need to register, then submit application. Then once you get the issuance, then you can come. But of course, for this step, you need to pay the fee. That I'm not gonna do now. So I click on proceed. So I'm gonna put the email address and click on register. Okay, so what happens is like you get an email, okay, where there's a link. You click on the link, and then it asks you to set a password and a security question. So once you are done that, you reach to this page. Okay, so how long you are planning to stay? That is, so let's say you're planning to stay 25 days. How will you be funding your stay? So I'll click own funds. You can click on next. You can save and come later. Applicant, so name, date of birth, gender, nationality, occupation. So I'm gonna fill some sample. You see those are in red are mandatory questions, but I would suggest fill all, right, if you can. So I'll fill this and click on next. After that, they ask you to enter the passport details. That definitely you have to. Very simple. This you can find in your passport, and make sure they match, otherwise you'll get a validation error. Alright, and all fields are mandatory on this page. Okay, wow, they have asked for alias. Fam, have you ever been on other name? If yes, please provide it. If no, please hit the next button. Okay, fine. Have you ever said PND before? So you need to answer as per your case. It's about criminal conviction and deportation as well. Disease also. Address, residential address, and then it's for PNG. So I'm gonna put some sample and we'll go to next. They have asked for emergency contact. It's good to provide, right, so that they know whom to contact, but it's not a mandatory field, so I click on next. Okay, so complete coronavirus supplementary health form, evidence of fund, cover letter, copy of passport bio, and file must be smaller than 10 MB. And in the next stage, they are going to confirm and pay the fee. So I'm not going to do that, but you got the idea, right? Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.